Hello friends, I want to tell you about my shopping experience at MegaZip. But before that, this is my beautiful Yamaha YXZ1000R in action. Now I will let you know what happened to her. Last month the engine mixed the coolant with the oil, and I said it's time to make overhaul to the engine. I searched the internet to find original Yamaha parts at the cheapest price, so I found MegaZip. I bought over 100 parts to build the YXZ1000R engine from scratch. I received fantastic service and answers to my questions within a few hours. In the end, the package arrived very well packed within 7 days. So, friends, I recommend buy MegaZip.net.